The Frontenac Arch is found in the Algonquin to Adirondack Wildlife Corridor, an important corridor for nature between the Adirondack Mountains in New York State and Algonquin Park here in Ontario. This region is very high in biodiversity and provides critical habitat for many of the species at risk here in Ontario. One species that we highlight is the cerulean warbler, a small songbird that migrates from here in the Frontenac Arch of Eastern Ontario to the Andes Mountains of South America. It's endangered in Canada, and this is a critical habitat for its breeding season in the summertime. Here we are at beautiful Blue Lake. In addition to providing important wildlife habitat, the clean waters of Blue Lake and Gould Lake are the source of clean drinking water for the downstream community of Sydenham, Ontario. On this property, we find both forest and wetland. A key feature are the 1.4 kilometers of natural shoreline on Blue Lake and the nearby Gould Lake. Connecting land for nature conservation is important for wide-ranging mammals like black bear, eastern wolf, and moose. It's important for the genetic diversity within and among wildlife populations, and it ensures the long-term sustainability of nature in Eastern Ontario. Here in the Frontenac Arch Natural Area, there's increasing fragmentation from developments and busier roads. We need to work together now to reverse biodiversity loss and lessen the impact of climate change. NCC is poised to continue to deliver results and accelerate conservation by bringing together partners across sectors to build a thriving world with nature. Together, we must use all of the tools available to us to protect nature, because when nature thrives, we all thrive.